Welcome to this video everyone on bookkeeping and accounting for clock and watch repair shop. So whether you are managing a small repair shop or a growing business, keep your finances in order, key to long-term success. So in this video we will explore the essential accounting practice that can help you to streamline your operation and optimize profitability and stay on top of your financial health. So let's start with the video. So clock and watch repair shops are key player in preserving precious timepieces, from antique clock to modern wristwatch. To succeed in this business, solid financial management is must. So when the shop implements strong accounting practice, they can optimize their operations, control cost, minimize profit, and maintain regulatory compliances to law and regulations to avoid the penalty and ensure that smooth business operation. So proper financial management truly make difference for this business in a competitive market. Mastering finance is a key to keep your business smoothly. Alright, so let's talk about something super important for your success. Key performance indicator, or you can also say KPIs. So let's break down some key metrics that can make big difference in your repair business operations. Repair turnaround times. This measures how long it takes to complete a repair. It is all about efficiency and keep your customer happy. Faster turnaround means better satisfaction. Second, gross profit margin. By calculating the profit from your repair service or part sales, you can set better pricing strategy and improve profitability. It is a simple but a powerful way to track financial health. Then inventory turnover rate. So this tells you how quickly your parts and supplies are being used and restored. So monitoring it helps avoid overstocking and reduce storage cost also. Then customer satisfaction score. So feedback from your customer is valuable. Knowing how satisfied they are with your repair and overall service can help you to improve and keep them coming back. Then accounting receivable gaining. So tracking how long your invoice from repairing service and part sale have been outstanding help you to manage cash flow better than ensuring timely collections. Then next, technician productivity. So this one is all about the measuring how efficiently your repair technician completing their jobs and servicing customer. So the more productivity they are, the better services. Next we have return on investment. So by analyzing effectiveness for your marketing efforts, you can see how well they are driving repairing service booking and part sales. A solid return on investment means more booking and more revenue, right? And lastly we have profitability by service types. So this helps you to understand which repair service are most profitable. Knowing this allows you to focus on high margin service and fine tune your service offering, right? So track, measures and optimize. Let's make every number work for you. So today let's talk about how we manage the financial of clocks and watch repair shop. First, sales and service tracking. So tracking all the sales is crucial, especially for the business focused on repairing and services. So we ensure that every transactions, whether it is for repair or part sale or maintenance, it's carefully recorded. This helps us to monitor the flow of service and product and keep accurate financial record also. Next we have inventory management. So managing inventory is a key to controlling cost and maintaining smooth operations. We keep detailed record of all the parts, tools and supplies used for repair. Make sure that stock is always at the right level. Avoid shortage or overstocking also. Then expenses categorization. Expenses are the backbone of financial control. So we categorized costs like labor, parts, utility, rent and marketing. This helps in understanding where money is spending so we can make informed decisions and maintain profitability also. When it's come to service revenue recognitions, we ensure that we are following accounting standard for recognizing revenue from repair, warranty and contracts. And lastly, tax compliances. So we stay on top of the tax rules and ensure proper sales tax on the part and timely income tax filing for service revenue. So by carefully managing this area, we keep things running smoothly and efficiently. Proper tracking, management and compliances are the foundation for a successful business. So let's keep everything running smoothly. Here we have some case studies. So let's look at case where operational efficiency was the key to success. The challenge: a repair service struggling with inefficiency. The process was slow, resulting in delaying turnaround times and unhappy customers. So what was done? We implemented streamlined workflow to make repair fast and smoother. We optimize inventory management to ensure the parts where it is available and when needed. And we do not stop there. We trained the technicians to boost their skills and speed up service delivery also. The result: a 30% reduction in repair turnaround time, much happier customers and significantly improved in overall operation efficiency. So small change in a process can lead to big wins in customer satisfaction. So here we have another powerful case study, this time focus on cost control and boosting profitability. A company was facing rising cost for parts which were cutting into their profit margin. So they needed a solution fast. So our team jumped in and conduct through cost analysis. We also negotiated better suppliers contracts to get lower price. On top of that, we worked on implementing smart pricing strategy for their repair service. The result is a 20% increase in gross profit margin and optimized part inventory and significantly boost to their overall financial performance also. So when you tackle cost strategically, profitability follows you. So let's look at our last case study that show how the right tool and practice can transform a business. In this scenario, a clock and watch repair shop was struggling with inaccurate financial reporting and compliances with tax regulations. This issue were catching confusions and potential risk. So our solution was simple yet effective. We introduced cloud-based accounting software, ensuring that all the financial data was accurate and easy accessible. So we also set up a regular financial audit and ensured timely tax filing to avoid any penalty. So the results were clear. The shop experienced better financial transparency, stay compliant with the law, and gained valuable insights from marketing smarter business decisions. So through personalized strategy, we were helped this business streamline their operations, boost profitability and stay compliant. It all about providing the right support at the right time to ensure long-term success. Whether it's managing cost or improving cash flow, we were being there every step of the way to help this business success. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. We hope you found this video helpful and stay tuned. We will meet in the next one. Thank you.